To create and verify Alipay account, firstly open up Alipay. So just launch the app. You can get the app from the Play Store or Apple Store. So just download it and then open it. And here, first thing you need to create the account is your phone number. So select your phone number and then enter it. Hit on next. Then once you enter the phone number, a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Just open up the message and enter the verification code. And once you're done that, once you have verified your phone number, your account will be created and you will get to the app here. Now to verify your account, all you have to do is click on the account or the Me tab here on your bottom right. Just tap on it. And from there, what we're going to do is click on the settings gear, which is on your top right there, and then select accounts and security. And once you get to the accounts and security here, tap on your real name verification here or ID verification. Just tap on it and provide your local issued ID to submit it, and also you provide your email address, password, and all the other personal details here. Just plug that all those details in. And once you have provided your ID and everything, so for depending on your region, select the ID that's compatible with your region and then hit on submit, and within 24 hours Alipay will verify your account, and that's basically it is.